Alright, now that we have our text with some shadows on it, let's add a little more texture to this. If we come up here and look, let's double click back on our sand layer like so. What I'm going to do is, like, we've already got our drop shadow here, and so of course you can always come back through here and change these options whenever you want to. These are, these are not permanent, these are always changeable. Let's go over here and add a little bevel and emboss like so. And if we click here, you can see that we got some styles here, so we're going to leave, let's see, let's change this inner bevel. Let's change to pillow emboss, like so. Make it really nice and soft. We're going to leave our technique at smooth, and let's take our depth. Let's see, our depth is at 100%. Let's, just move that down to 1. Let's make this really slight, really, really slight. Because you can take it all the way up, and as you can see, it's just going to get crazy. So let's take it back down to 1. There we go. Direction up, of course. Let's leave our size. Let's take our size actually up quite a bit. Let's go to 46. Make this huge, actually. Let's give it just a little bit more size here. Somewhere in 21. That looks pretty good. Not too much, just so we can see what we're doing here. We've got our soften. Let's take our soften up to 16. Looks pretty good. Take our shading angle, let's put it at 120. Since we got our other one coming at 30, we'll put this one at 120 to kind of offset that. We'll also leave our altitude at 30. And let's click a new box here. Let's not do this one. Let's hit cancel here. Let's come down here and let's choose this one right here. There we go. Now we're seeing how this is coming together. So now we can take our size. Let's delete this. Let's take this back down to 1. There we go. Let's change this to screen. This is fine. Now we're going to find some brown colors. Actually, we're going to use the brown colors that we've been using, like so. And we're going to change our opacity down to, let's hit OK on that. Let's take our opacity down to 30. And let's leave our multiply up as it is. And let's select our background color, like so. Hit OK. Let's take our opacity. We're going to take our opacity on this one down to 30 as well. There we go. Now we've got a little bit of text effect going on here. Not too much, but this will all clean itself up as we go along. So we're going to stop here and we'll pick this up in the next part.